it's an exciting day here at the Puppet Hideaway because we have a new friend that's going to join us. So, wow, this is well packaged. I got the plastic off. Now I got the box. Let's see what happens next. Ooh, that's a nice touch. Look at oh! I want to introduce you to everyone at the Puppet Hideaway. She is just as wonderful as I could have possibly imagined. So, let me tell you how much I love these puppets. First of all, her head can turn. That is absolutely wonderful for a puppeteer because that allows the character to look in any direction, and it really brings them to life. Like, oh, look up to the sky. Oh, but what about that bug over there? Oh, the bug. Yeah. This is brilliant. And the incredible detail in the wardrobe. Wow. Okay, I'm very excited. I cannot wait to include her in the shows, and especially because she's the same size as Gruger. So I think Gruger might have a girlfriend, or maybe I'm speaking too soon. She is wonderful. I love her. And if I haven't said it yet, she is from a company called Puppets, and you can find them on puppets.net. There it is. There's all your information. She is second batch. I'm so happy about because I thought I would never get her, and here she is. It's a dream come true. So, wow. Welcome to the Puppet Hideaway, Smooch. You've got a lot of puppet friends here for you to hang out with.